the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video about the LG Stylo 5. So the Stylo 5 has been rendered online, so this is what the phone can look like. These are just renders of the Stylo 5. Now we get to see what the phone looks like without a phone case. I've already done a video about the case renders for the Stylo 5, so yeah, this is what the phone looks like without a case on it. So the phone right there is just to get released very soon. If you guys look here, you guys will see a date of July 15th. That's when the Stylo 5 could get announced or whatever, so stay tuned for that. So it should not be too long now for when the Stylo 5 is released, so stay tuned for that. So anyways guys, the Stylo 5 reminds me of this Stylo 4 on the front of the phone. Y'all guys have a front-facing camera. It looks like a front-facing camera flash. Hopefully that it is volume button on the left, power button on the right, 18:9 screen. On the back of the Stylo 5 reminds me of the Galaxy J7 in terms of camera design. You guys also have a fingerprint sensor, LG logo, and stuff like that. The specs wise on the Stylo 5, I think the base model will have the same specs as the Stylo 4 Plus. This time it will have Pie on this phone. Out the box you have Android Pie on this phone, of course, but it will have the Stylo 4 Plus specs on this phone, the base model. I'm sure that there'll be different versions of the Stylo 5 like they have been ever since the original Stylo. So the spec wise, I think it's going to have the Stylo 4 Plus specs, but with Pie on board, so do keep that in mind. So that's what I think is going to happen, but we'll see what the exact specs are when it is announced or whatever. So that's what the phone looks like on front and back. Kind of reminds me of the Stylo 4 on the front and the J7 on back a little bit in terms of camera design and shit. So yeah, what do you guys think about the Stylo 5, and what do you guys think that the specs will be on this front, and do you guys think that there'll be different variants of the Stylo 5? I'll look to know y'all guys' opinions on that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys are blessing me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.